Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Best agents in Valorant. In Valorant, here are my recommendation of the best agents for each role. So there are four roles in Valorant. There's a Sentinel, Duelist, Initiator, and Controller. Let's start with the Sentinel. In the Sentinel, we started with Killjoy. Killjoy excels in area control, defense with her gadgets like Alarm Bot and Turret, and Narm Swarm grenades. Her lockdown ultimate is powerful for forcing opponents out of key positions. And for the duelist, I recommend is Jet. So why Jet? Jet is highly mobile and can create space for her team with her dash and updraft ability, her ultimate. Blade Storm is a lethal in close range and mid-range combat, allowing for prize elimination. And for the initiator, I recommend Sky. So why Sky? The Sky brings a mix of healing, scouting, and crowd control. Her ability like Guide Light, her flash, and Seeker, her ultimate, are excellent for initiating fights and gaining information on enemy position. And the next, but the last, is Controller. So for Controller, I'll recommend Viper. So Viper abilities allow for strength, sight control, and post-plant scenarios. Her toxic screen and poison cloud can block vision and correct checkpoints, while her ultimate Viper Spit is a great for holding sights. So those are my recommendations in best agent for me in Valorant. So guys, I want to know your best Valorant agent. If you have any, just type it in the comment down section below. So, but these are my Valorant best agents for each role. So, these agents are considered as a top tier in their respective roles to their versatile and impact on the game. I hope you like this video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.